Welcome to Quick Particulars. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on ISRO's Chandrayaan mission, detailing its success and contribution of making Indian Space Research Organization a leading player in the space exploration sector. On October 22, 2008, the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, launched the Chandrayaan mission, an ambitious project aimed at exploring the Moon like never before. The spacecraft orbited the Moon at a distance of just 100 kilometers, conducting experiments to study its surface and composition, and even making a groundbreaking discovery of water molecules. Join us as we take a closer look at this historic mission and the insights it has provided into our closest celestial neighbor. This is the story of Chandrayaan-1. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is the space agency of the Indian government and has been instrumental in making India a key player in the global space race. One of its most ambitious missions to date was the Chandrayaan-1 mission, which aimed to explore the Moon in unprecedented detail. Chandrayaan-1 was launched on October 22, 2008, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. The spacecraft was designed to orbit the Moon and conduct various experiments to study its surface, composition, and environment. The mission was divided into two phases. In the first phase, the spacecraft orbited the Moon at an altitude of 100 kilometers and conducted several experiments, including mapping the lunar surface and searching for water and other minerals. One of the most significant achievements of this phase was the discovery of water molecules on the Moon, which was a major breakthrough in our understanding of the Moon's composition. In the second phase of the mission, the spacecraft was sent into a lower orbit of just 50 kilometers above the Moon's surface. This allowed for even more detailed observations of the lunar terrain, as well as the deployment of a small impact probe called the Moon Impact Probe, MIP. The MIP was designed to impact the Moon's surface and study the composition of the lunar regolith, or surface material. It was the first time that an Indian spacecraft had landed on the Moon, and it was a significant achievement for the country's space program. The mission continued to gather data and send back valuable information until August 2009, when communication with the spacecraft was lost. Despite this setback, the Chandrayaan-1 mission was considered a major success, as it had achieved its primary objectives of mapping the lunar surface and studying the Moon's composition. The success of the Chandrayaan-1 mission paved the way for future Indian space missions, including the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-2 mission in 2019. These missions have further cemented India's position as a leading spacefaring nation and demonstrated the country's commitment to advancing scientific knowledge and exploration. However, like any ambitious project, the mission faced several challenges that had to be overcome. Let's take a closer look at some of the key challenges that the Chandrayaan-1 mission had to navigate. One of the most significant challenges was the complex engineering involved in designing and building the spacecraft. The mission required the development of new technologies, including advanced propulsion systems, communication systems, and scientific instruments. The spacecraft had to be designed to operate in the harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures, radiation, and micrometeoroid impacts. Another major challenge was ensuring the accuracy of the spacecraft's trajectory and navigation. The mission required precise calculations and adjustments to ensure that the spacecraft entered into the correct orbit around the Moon and remained in stable operation throughout the mission. Any small error in navigation could have resulted in the failure of the mission. The Chandrayaan-1 mission also faced challenges related to communication and data transmission. The spacecraft had to transmit large amounts of data back to Earth, including high-resolution images and scientific measurements. This required the development of advanced communication systems and the establishment of a network of ground-based antennas to receive the data. In addition to these technical challenges, the mission also faced budgetary constraints and a tight timeline for development and launch. ISRO had to balance the need for scientific excellence with the need to manage costs and meet deadlines. Despite these challenges, the Chandrayaan-1 mission was ultimately a success, achieving its primary objectives and making several groundbreaking discoveries. The mission demonstrated the technical capabilities of the Indian space program and paved the way for future space exploration missions. In conclusion, the Chandrayaan-1 mission was a major milestone for the Indian space program, and it represented a significant step forward in our understanding of the Moon's composition and environment. The mission demonstrated India's technical capabilities and innovation in the field of space exploration and set the stage for future missions to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. The mission's success demonstrated the ingenuity and perseverance of the ISRO team, and the valuable scientific insights gained have contributed to our understanding of the Moon and its role in the solar system. Thanks for watching.